Hello and welcome to my review of the SAS affiliate program that is created by Barry Plasko and Jason Calori. Before I get started, I do want to mention that honestly, I'm not too familiar with Barry Plasko. After doing a little bit of research, I saw some really good things about him and some of the previous courses that he's released. That's about to the extent I can speak in reference to him, but I do have a rapport with Jason Calori. I've known him since 2012 in another previous mastermind program that I'm a part of and have been very successful with. I've always noticed that Jason was on top with his conversation and input that he would provide in this particular group, and it was very valuable in my success. So I really take to heart what he says and what he provides in this course and how he structured it. It is amazing. It is blazing. It really has some weight to it that can make an impact on your online business. And even if you have a brick and mortar where you want to push more traffic to your business through your website, these same concepts that he uses and lays out in his course, you can definitely use. So let's not have any further delay. Let's go ahead and jump into the course, and I can show you a quick outline of what to expect.
All right, here we are on the inside of the SAS affiliate marketing dashboard, and when you log in, you'll find the course curriculum listed here, but I'd rather show the same outline from inside of the course. And I really do like, along with the course, they give you an idea of which content you have completed so that you can go back and don't have to worry about bookmarking or making note of where you've left off. So I've been through the first 7 sections of the course, and for the most part have made it through the entire course. Just haven't done the bonus trainings that are listed below, but I'll get to those soon enough once I'm ready to implement those ideas. Now, starting at the intro, and I really like that they not only just give you videos, but they give you registration links to their weekly sessions that will occur, where you can ask questions. If you are hung up on a particular issue, you'll be able to contact Jason Calori directly, as well as tap into the other minds of other individuals who are in the course and are familiar with the content and are making progress in it, and you can sort of pick their brain if you need to. And let me drill down through a couple of these. We have a pregame here, and a lot of the videos, they're for the most part maybe 10-15 minutes long, and that's what I like. Also, I tend to get very antsy and tired after 10-15 minutes. There may be a couple of 20 or 30 minutes 30-minute videos, but if that was done, it was for a reason, so he could fit all the content within that particular video. But if we come here, you'll see that there's an intro, and he gives a 5-step plan. And this is, for the most part, what you're doing, it's very simplified. Let's say you're doing affiliate. You're going to be picking out a product, picking out keywords, writing the content, or if you're outsourcing it, either way, building the site and building links. Now, it would seem as if that this particular step, building the site, would be a very intensive part, but I promise you, once you see this interface and how to set up a website within Groove Pages, it is totally game changer. And plus, there are ways of importing sites, or if there's a site that you like, and there are templates that you can use. I'll show you in a little bit that can be used for the course or creating a website. And we'll drill down through some of these. Picking a product, and he really goes into detail on how to carefully pick out a product if you're wanting to do an affiliate program, digital products, or even brick and mortar type situations where you actually have a physical product. It covers that as well. picking out your keywords. This is a very important section because you want to make sure that you pick out the correct keywords that are buyer keywords to get buying customers to your site. And as you see here, he really lays this out for you, and he takes you through step by step on choosing those keywords. Writing content. He has a very unique method of building out the sites or the content articles using an outline type format along with the keywords that are picked out for your particular product. Writing content, and whether you want to write the content yourself or if you just want to outsource it. And he gives you some sources to pick them from as well, and how to pick from those sources. And we'll go down here through the site building section. I don't want to click on some of these because it may show some of the content, and I don't want to violate any terms of service for the program. Setting up your SEO on the site, and if you're not familiar with that, that's search engine optimization, on how to optimize your site to where you can rank for a particular keyword. So let's say you are selling CBD products, a CBD oil, and you want to rank for CBD oil when you type in on Google CBD oil for joint pain, and he will show you how to do that. Very simple process, but very effective. And these are some other cosmetic type things: adjusting element spacing within your pages, and making changes to the content, adding navigation, publishing, picking a domain, and how to publish to Groove pages. Here he goes into building links, and again, I don't want to click on that to drop down it because it may show some information that is proprietary to this program. And then next steps as far as helping to continue to not only build the site out, but keep it ranked on the first page of Google once you have it there, along with templates. And these templates are set up in such a way where you can, if there's a site that you like that was created in Groove Pages, you'll be able to go in, basically import that site and create, change the content to your own. Of course, you can't leave it the same. That would not get you ranked well on Google. But again, a very efficient and quick process of setting up websites. Here we have live training recordings, those recordings that I told you about each week that occur, and they have them each week, and they have them recorded here. Now these will go 195, 200 minutes, but it's very good information that they have there over the shoulder. And then we have our bonus section that they provide. I won't drill down into those again because, of course, you'll have access to that if you decide to join the course itself.
All right, so hopefully there's something from this review that you can stand to gain that will... Okay, so hopefully there's something from this review that will help push you in the direction of purchasing this course. And be sure to, if you do decide, make sure you purchase through my affiliate link, where I will have a bonus, several bonuses that I will be providing to anyone who decides to sign up. Thank you very much.